5. Oh my god, we're here at the elevator! We're heading to the buffet at the 5th floor. Yay! Ta-da-da-da! We're here now. Bye-bye mo. Bye-bye, Demo. Naipla ko sa ilalim. Mag-videos ako. Ano, roast beef? Gravy. You don't like that? Some fruits. Sushi. Salad. I like lamig mo yung salad, Jay. Salad. Tempura. Baked fish. Seafoods. Broccoli. It's pretty fish. It's a huge fish. OMG. Barbecue. Uy! Isa naman kabuk yung gikuha. Dapat ka dito. Isa kabuk yung kuha. Just is so funny. Yes. Have nice sauce, spicy, sweet and spicy. Rice, bread. Butter, different kinds of bread. This is potato, salad. Lumpia. Oh, that's lumpia. Just like bread. I will get my food later. I'll just give you a tour first. Vegetable, pancit disable, sweets here, sweets, uy, chocolate, tanawang chocolate, drinks, cakes, sweets, uy, wow. Strawberry cake. I'm looking for red velvet, cappuccino, mango cake. Wow. They don't have blueberry. Wow, blueberry cake. Which one you like, guys? Blueberry, strawberry, mango. I like blueberry. And what's this? Strawberry, mango. How to open this, guys. They're cooking still. Plaster. And they had a huge mirror here. It's beautiful. And here they had ice cream here. Mango, ubi, and you can make halo. So it's not yet crowded as of now, guys. So our table is over here. Oh, let's check what's their food here. What they get? Oy. And yeah. So, yep. We're just at the side of the window. And they had some drinks here. salad. Uy, strawberry. And I have blueberry. Oh, this is my food. Let's eat. Jessa. Hi, Jessa. And JG. Salad. I like it, this cheese. Strawberry and blueberry.
So hard. Storage mo na, ma'am. Storage is like, na? Naka-picture. Na. Green sushi. Kamu sila kuan? O sila chopstick. Stop. Awa, ito na. I'm gonna rate this food in Seda. And i-rate na ko siya 10 out of 10.
JG.
Perfect.
Salad ang tirahan. Okay, okay po. We're done eating. We had bread station here. Front desk the comfort room. Adara. Here you go. Saan yung babae na yun? Hi, we're waiting for Gigi. She's still there at the comfort room. We're so full. Thank you so much. So this is still at the 5th floor. Sakay tayo ulit pasaka. Uy, tao. Huwag na ay sa pasayro. Dita kay ulawan ta. There's exit here. I don't know. There's ATM machine also inside, guys. You can see ATM machine over there. And that one. There's a front desk there. 17th floor. We're heading to 17th floor. Swimming pool over here.